subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has finally launched its new smartphone under F series in India called Galaxy F42 with 5G support. Talking about the specifications, the Galaxy F42 5G features a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate support, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture. The rear panel of the phone houses a triple camera setup in a squarish model at the top left corner, including LED flash. The AAA camera includes a 64-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, plus 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 115-degree field of view and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Galaxy F42 5G comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset, coupled with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 11 based on One UI 3.1 skin on top, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 15W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone also features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 167.2 by 76.4 by 9mm, and it weighs around 203 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Galaxy F42 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 20,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 22,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is set to go on sale in the country starting from October 3rd in matte black and matte aqua color options. So what do you guys think of this Galaxy F42 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.